Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace without creating an account. So to begin, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your computer. You can also follow these steps using Safari or Chrome on an iPhone or Android device. So once your browser is open, go to facebook.com Marketplace. So this will take you directly to Facebook Marketplace page without needing to sign in. And from there, you can browse the different items available for sale. You can also track the categories on the left side of the page, such as vehicles and property rentals and more. So these categories and filters can help you find the type of product that you are looking for more easily. However, there is one important limitation. So without a Facebook account, you can only view the available listings. You will not be able to contact the seller, negotiate the price, or purchase an item. So to use those options, you will need to create a free Facebook account and sign in. After that, you can communicate with sellers and ask them about the products that you are interested in. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.